सपनों का शहर, City of Dreams.
This is a proper full-fledged Broadway that Cineyug has launched in Bombay. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the play.
I'm quite looking forward to this because this is something very new.
I was actually very excited with all the publicity that I've been seeing.
What I read about it is that it's something like a Broadway show. So I'm very much excited to see it.
It's a fantastic attempt to do something different thanks to Cineyug.
I am really very excited to see such a great show in Mumbai because I think this is what theatre needs, and I think this is the only way that we can give audience a different form of theatre.
My sister saw it yesterday and she said it was very good and she recommended that I come and see it.
Those people who really matter to provide entertainment, heads off to Cineyug, I am with them.
And I'm so grateful for Cineyug to have moved into this because I feel we really need this platform in a larger scale.
As fantastic, and this time I'm sad that I won't get to be on stage, but I'm so happy that I get to finally watch Amarani's production, second musical that they're doing, first in India, and I wish them all the very best. I think it's going to be brilliant, and the poster looks great. I'm very, very excited.
Very interesting, very different, and the show will definitely help.
Expectations to always high रहेंगे because if Moranis are doing it, Cineyug is doing it, तो definitely उनका जो product होगा वो 100% होगा and वो धमाकेदार होगा.
I'm expecting the world from them because they're the best in what they do.
All the best to Moranis and all the best to Cineyug.
Wow, you two compliment each other so well. मेरी तो आँख में आंसू ही आ गए. Come here, my child.
Hey, it's not my fault, it's not my fault. That, my darling, because you still managed to look sweet 16 for past 26 years.
This is Mumbai, Mary Jaan. It takes that little extra bit to fit here. Look at me. I am fit. Hence, I'm fit to dream.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Karan Kapoor, a small-time Bollywood actor.
Karan.
And I am in love, madly in love, with this gorgeous lady at my table.
I too want to be in the movies and star opposite Karan Kapoor one day.
Everybody in the city of dreams. Come on, let us party in the city of dreams. You know everybody in the city of dreams. Come on, let us party in the city of dreams. Just say that I can do it. There's really nothing to it. The world is waiting if you believe. Sparkles and gleams like paradise it seems. Sapno ka
extremely entertaining. It's fab. The production value is high. The quality of the entertainment is brilliant. The dances are good. Well choreographed. Altogether, it's looking good and very entertaining. Well done.
I think it's rare that there are so many people, a lot of cast in a play, right? So that's, I think, the most gripping thing. You can relate to the songs, you can relate to the dialogues. So it's really good fun. The whole element is that it's extremely entertaining, and that's what's important about the entire play.
Nice storyline, new people doing very good work, and Kashmira was very entertaining. And Gaurav was very dashing. I think they've done a very good job.
I don't know, something closer to what I've seen on Broadway maybe, and it's been really good so far. I've enjoyed it.
It was really a wonderful experience. Broadway theatre हम जो abroad देखते हैं उसकी कुछ feel यहाँ आई और actors ने बहुत अच्छा perform किया. Kashmira was like bundle of energy, and all other actors and the dancers. It was really very beautiful. I enjoyed thoroughly. In fact, I'm feeling very rejuvenated after the show.
I've never seen something like this before, and I'm so thrilled and excited. It's really great, I must say. I mean, the production value, the performance, the way it's just wonderful.
It's been completely mesmerizing. I think the production quality is international standards. But what has surprised me the most is actually the lead protagonist of the show, Lucky Morani.
I'm really enjoying it. In fact, I just messaged my parents from the middle and I said that they must come here and watch it tomorrow. I think it's a great idea and I think we should have lots of them. Loving it. I think it's great and I can kind of relate to the whole thing. I think so I like it more than anyone else.
I expect, as usual, with the name of Cineyug, I expect quality, production values, creativity, all the good things which one expects in something like Broadway, and I'm glad that it's high time we got Broadway style to this country, and I wish Cineyug all the success.
I think it's brilliant. I think everyone should always expand. So I think this is a good way, and plays are. I love watching plays. I've watched a lot. So I think this is fantastic.
It's very interesting. It's larger than life. It's what you would expect to see in a Broadway. So when we see it in Bombay, it's fantastic.
Cineyug rocks. They've done wonders as far as the reality shows are concerned. They were doing amazingly well with their stray shows and stuff. I think they rock. They're amazing. They're very, very good, yes.
It's light. The girls and boys are very, very talented. It's lovely to see 3 young girls, very talented, holding forth.
एक typical मुरानी show है और दिखता है सारा quality and performance and dancers and grandeur and entries and exits. Everything is fantastic. और Kashmira भी बहुत funny है. I mean, I really like her job.
Play was brilliant. I think Lucky was so brilliant. Her dance and her performances were flawless, and we thoroughly enjoyed it.
I say come to this show, enjoy this show. It is full of energy, it is professionally done, it's a tremendous amount of fun, and it really captures what I've experienced in Mumbai. This is really a show of dreams.
It's actually the city of dreams.
I'm loving the show.
I think it's fabulous.
Cineyug rocks.
I really like it. I really enjoyed it.
बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत grand है, बहुत अच्छा है.
I love the show. It was fantastic.
Very entertaining.
It's super fantastic.
I think what it says, city of dreams, that's absolutely correct.
सपनों का शहर, city of dreams.